Hello and welcome everyone to another update video here on this channel about Bitcoin, Ethereum and QNT. My name is Daniel and I will give you all my price targets and expectations for those three coins, and I will go deep into the charts and tell you what I'm planning to do with my trading management. Because since yesterday's video, I'm, as you know, in an Ethereum short trade, and it's absolutely imminent what is happening right now on the chart because we have a certain news event coming up in the next few minutes. So I will go as fast as possible through the charts with you to push this content out for you as fast as possible. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't want to miss out on that in the future, don't forget to leave a subscription down below this video and activate the small little bell. And let's jump straight into the content. And we're starting here today straight on the Ethereum 15 minutes time frame. And as you know, I've been following this scenario here since a long time already. This here is a wave B triangle, and we are now in the next impulse towards the downside in our C wave. So that's why I identified this as a first impulse towards the downside, and I waited for a 3-wave correction here towards the upside in a wave 2. And that is exactly the reason why I opened a short yesterday, exactly here at approximately $1,866 because this was a first 3-wave move towards the upside. But if we're looking closer now, this could have only been an A wave, this B wave, and we are seeing now a small C wave, which is then ending here this green wave 2. So this is the reason why I'm staying here in my short trade right now. I don't have a stop loss for this certain amount of money. I never go all in any trades. So actually the amount of money which I'm right now in a short position is the amount of money which I'm ready to lose. So that is the only reason why I don't set a stop loss. If I would want to protect some money of this trade, I would of course set a stop loss. So with that being said, actually I'm following the option, the primary option, that this is now turning down here in this third wave, highlighted here in green. There is, of course, one alternative option which I consider not as too likely at all. It would be that this is only an A wave, this has been a B wave triangle, and now we are moving up in the last C wave here, and that would actually just shift here this red B wave towards the upside here. We would run here into a price area between, let's say, 2,000 and let's say maximum $2,100. That would be the price range where a larger B wave could bring us, but that would only lead to a next impulse towards the downside in the C wave afterwards. So that is the alternative option, and for Ethereum this could actually easily happen. But I will go now over to the Bitcoin chart, and there actually I don't consider this as too likely because this would then turn the B wave into an overshooting B. For Ethereum this is not the case. As you can see, even if we are making a higher high here in this B wave, it will not be a higher high overall because this was way higher. So this would just be a normal B wave. So that's why I need to mention this scenario for Ethereum. But even if it's the last likely one, I would say the most likely one for me personally is that the B wave is already in as a triangle, and we are now coming down in this impulse here in the C wave from here, even if we have a higher high now in the wave 2. So that would be my primary, and I can show you for the Bitcoin chart as well why this is my primary. Because if we're looking here at the Bitcoin chart, you can see that right now we would have a nice A, B, and coming down in a possible C wave. And we saw an impulse here, so that would perfectly play out if we are coming up now correctively, then getting a 3, 4, and 5 into the target area. So that is my main scenario. The alternative, which I showed you just for Ethereum, would be that actually this B wave would extend higher, and we would see the C wave afterwards. But as you can see, in this case, Bitcoin would have here a total higher high in this B wave in comparison to those highs back there. And this would mean that this would be an overshooting B wave, and based on the Elliott wave rules, it would just be less likely. And we are no magicians. We are just playing here statistics and likelihoods while trading. And of course, in financial markets, there is absolutely no guarantee. But if I have to tell you what is here the most likely scenario, then definitely not this year, because it would be an overshooting B wave. It's just less likely. And the more likely option would be that this is just an A wave impulse down, a wave B triangle. We are now in this wave C towards the downside, highlighted in red, and this wave 2 here in red. Okay, this can make a higher high, but we should not really overcome the $30,000. Because that would actually lead then to this overshooting B wave, which is less likely. So this is just my opinion about Bitcoin, and let's now, last but not least, come over to the QNT chart. QNT is following my expectation absolutely pretty well. Yeah, we came down even in the last few hours, where Bitcoin and Ethereum pushed a little bit higher. And yeah, we are basically following what I've been telling you here since the beginning of January. So practically since the last 4 months, every day I'm telling you the same scenario, or only this one. There never was an alternative. Since here, the beginning of January, I highlighted these 2 target areas for you on the chart. The first one we hit perfectly, we got rejected. We are on the way towards the second one, and this is for me a larger ABC structure in a second wave. So we should reach the target between $80 and $95. In the optimum case, this is unfolding as an ABC structure in the 5th wave of an ending Dow Jones C wave. I know it's a little complicated, but yeah, for me, the only outcome which is highly likely is that we are seeing one more leg towards the downside, landing in this area and getting a pump from there. So that is at least what I'm playing to, or that's what I'm planning to buy some QNT in this area and also open up long positions for QNT in this area. And yeah, I think it is playing out, or that's at least what I'm assuming based on the Elliott wave rules and the chart behavior here. And if you like this video, if you enjoyed this update, smash up the like button, leave your thoughts down in the comment section, activate the small little bell so you will never miss out on these videos again. And I thank you very much for watching, thank you very much for your support, and I hope we'll see each other in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.